my channel. My name is Miss Tammy, and I do thank you for tuning in today. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell and get notified when I upload a new video. Today's video is going to be about foundation recommendations for combination skin. That is where you have an early T-zone, which is right here, and the outside of your face may be dry. So that is what we call combination skin. So today's recommendations will come from ULTA Beauty and Sephora, and I will give you my recommendation. I am a former beauty consultant from ULTA. I worked there in the past, so these are my finds of these foundations. Don't mind if I'm looking down, I just took notes so I can be a little bit more accurate with this video. So the first foundation I will show is the McGrath Foundation. It gives you a radiant finish, a natural finish. It's also a vegan brand, and it's hydrating. It's medium coverage, and it's long wearing. The next foundation, I really want to try this foundation, is the Ysl. It is a skin tint. It's called New Bare Look Tint, and it's a hydrating foundation. Most of these foundations for combination skin will be hydrating, or they will be a soft matte foundation. So the Ysl New Bare Look Tint foundation is a hydrating foundation. It gives you a light coverage. You can build it to the coverage you desire, but it's going to be light to medium. It's never going to be full coverage, but it's light coverage, and it's a radiant finish. So it gives you a natural radiant glow. The next one we're going to talk about is the Armani Luminous Silk Perfect. The Armani Luminous Silk Perfect Glow Foundation. It is a medium coverage foundation. It gives you a natural finish, and also it is oil free, so you ain't got to worry about later in the day your face is all shiny and stuff. And that is my recommendations from Sephora. My next recommendation will come from ULTA, which is the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. It is a medium coverage. It gives you a natural finish, and it's good for dullness. It helps. Why I say it's good for dullness, because it brings the oomph back to your skin. It brings your skin back to life. You know how some people just skin look completely dry, but this one it gives you a little oomph back to the skin. That's how I pronounce it. It gives a little radiant back to the skin, and it's uneven. It's for uneven texture. So if you have, you know how some people will have texture skin, and you see a lot of makeup artists talk about the texture skin. You're gonna have some texture, but this foundation helps even that situation. My next foundation is everyone's favorite. Is the Fenty Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation. It's vegan. It is full coverage. It is definitely long wearing, and it's great for all skin types. When I say she came out with this, she had the variety, range colors, and it's great for all skin types. You can use it on early skin, combination, and dry skin. So it works for everyone. My last foundation recommendation is, that sounded crazy, huh? Last foundation recommendation. But the last foundation that I recommend is the Amazon Clay 16 Hour Wear Foundation. I have loved this foundation since the first time I tried it years ago, and it's still a plus. It is full coverage. It is long wearing. It is a vegan brand, and also it is a matte finish, and it's oil free. So you can't beat that. It feels great on the skin. It's not a heavy foundation. It's very lightweight. And I do recommend that one. For like sensitive skin and stuff like that, that is a great foundation. So these are my thoughts and my finds of the combination skin foundations. What are some of the foundations that you have tried for your combo skin, and has it worked for you? Leave them in the description box below, and I do thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you want to see my next foundation recommendation video.